Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to try to walk you through how to organize clients by groups or projects in Wave. Let's dive in. Now first up, Wave doesn't support official client groups or project tags, like some other accounting softwares, but with a few smart workarounds you can still stay organized. And there are a couple of options. The first, of course, is to use custom naming conventions. Now, when creating or editing a customer's profile, you want to include the project or group in the customer name. For example, instead of just ACME Corp, you could name it as ACME Corp Website Redesign. This makes it easy to spot which project the client belongs to when viewing invoices or reports. Option 2, you can use the notes field. Now instead, inside each invoice or customer records, you can use the notes sections to log project details, timelines, or grouping labels. This way you'll have a searchable reference point for the work related to that specific customer. The third option is to separate accounts if necessary. Now, if you manage very distinct businesses or departments, you could create a separate Wave account. So you could create a separate Wave account for each one, just to avoid making financial data, or to avoid mixing financial data. But use this only if the finances truly need to be kept separate. While Wave doesn't have a true project management system, these small tweaks can help you to stay organized and find what you need quickly. And that's how to organize your clients by groups or projects in Waves. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.